yo, that's a boy.
Kenyan socialite Faith Makau, widely recognized by her moniker Ambare, has penned a heartfelt tribute to her husband, businessman Kennedy Rapudo, after he surprised her with an indulgent getaway and luxurious dinner despite being unwell. Amber lavishly detailed the string of romantic gestures, including in the escape Rapudo organized, revealing it featured to a bed extravagantly adorned with roses, a lavish dinner, and a soothing massage and a high-end glam makeover. From a surprise massage to a glam makeover, then a dreamy dinner surrounded by flowers. Just how I adore them, grand and dramatic, and finally a bedroom exclusively decorated just for me. The socialite, who recently disclosed that her rise to fame began after being paraded in a popular Facebook group dubbed Kilimani Moms, went on to add that such thoughtful surprises from her husband are precisely why she holds no regrets about embracing motherhood. She described motherhood as a divine gift and insisted that having a partner who lavishes her with such adoration and extravagant gestures is in itself a rare treasure. I'm utterly speechless. Being a mom is both a blessing and a privilege, but to be loved so deeply is truly the real gift, she reflected. Ambare then proceeded to express gratitude to Rapudo for the heartfelt surprise, affectionately referring to him as the love of her life. She revealed that the entire gesture had completely swept her off her feet, particularly because Rapudo was gravely ill at the time, yet still went the extra mile to plan a posh and memorable Mother's Day celebration, and she thanked him for always being present in her life. Thank you, my love. Even in sickness, you went above and beyond to make this Mother's Day unforgettable for me. Even in illness, you made it happen. My heart is overflowing with love, she concluded her post. Accompanying the caption was a charming video clip of Amber and Rapudo enjoying a tender love-drenched moment during the retreat, when they shared affectionate kisses and embraces, prompting an outpouring of heartwarming messages from their adoring fans.